Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this you love cool items, stick changes everything. Hold on a second. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it is super lightweight and durable, I was completely sold. It is the best investment you can make because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed WTH thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade while stocks last. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this you love cool items, stick changes everything.